Iceland, a land of wonders. A land of breathtaking beauty. Boasts magnificent natural landscapes, from volcanoes to majestic waterfalls. It's a place where glaciers meet volcanoes, and waterfalls cascade down rugged mountains. This is a land of contrasts. Where the wild beauty of nature is both awe-inspiring and humbling. These famous waterfalls, powerful and majestic, offer breathtaking views. The roaring water cascades down, creating a swirling mist that transforms the scene into an ethereal painting. And in the heart of winter, when the nights are long and the sky is clear, the aurora borealis, the northern lights, paint the sky with vibrant colors. A truly mesmerizing spectacle. But Iceland's wonders don't stop at its surface. Deep beneath the earth, volcanic activity fuels geothermal energy. Powering homes and creating stunning natural wonders. Iceland is a place that inspires awe, adventure. And a deep appreciation for the power of nature. Whether you seek challenging hikes, marine kayak excursions, or simply a moment to relax and immerse yourself in the beauty of the land. Iceland has something to offer everyone. Let's marvel at the beauty of icebergs floating on Jökulsárlón, where ice and water dance in perfect harmony. The Icelandic coast, where waves crash against black sand shores. Exudes a wild, mysterious beauty. Iceland's crystal clear lakes, where the water reflects mountain peaks and the sky, create landscapes that resemble paintings. Venture beyond the shore to discover Iceland's seas by boat. These excursions provide an up-close and personal experience with its natural marvels. Iceland's dramatic cliffs and coastal caves provide a habitat for seabirds. Creating a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. Driving along the twisting roads with towering mountains flanking your path. You'll feel a sense of adventure as you conquer these majestic peaks. Driving through Iceland's massive ice fields is not just a test of skill, but an unforgettable adventure. Beyond its captivating scenery, Iceland is home to charming, historic villages where generations-old cultural traditions thrive. Iceland, a place where wild nature, and stunning landscapes always stir our souls. Hopefully this video has transported you to beautiful places. And inspired your next adventure. If you loved this video, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So you don't miss out on new journeys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.